Welcome. Today I am with WIKO Y60 and I'm going to show you how you can disable ringtone volume. So in most cases you are pressing the volume down button, but the thing that you are changing right now is only the media volume. So you have to tap right here on the settings icon. When this menu shows, will be automatically moved to the sound settings, and here we can find the ringtone volume. So to disable, you have to simply move the switcher just like that. Or we can simply tap, so you have to decide what you want to get. I'm going to mute this ringtone. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.